Revolution. The Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. This period is called a year. It revolves around the Sun at the speed of approximately 1780 km per hour. Students, while moving on its axis, the Earth also moves around the Sun. This motion is called revolution. The Earth takes 365 days, that is 1 year, to complete one full circle around the Sun. So it is also called Varshik Gati. The Earth moves continuously on a fixed imaginary path called an orbit. This orbit of the Earth is not round but elliptical, that is oval. This is the reason why the distance between the Earth and the Sun does not remain the same throughout the year. The Earth revolves around the Sun at the speed of approximately 1780 km per hour. Students, our Earth moves in a specific path around the Sun. This path is called the orbit of the Earth. The orbit is not circular but it is elliptical, or you can say it is egg shaped, oval. Due to this fact, the distance between the Earth and the Sun does not remain the same throughout the year. The Earth revolves around the Sun at the speed of 1780 km per hour. The Moon revolves around the Earth and the Earth revolves around the Sun. The Earth makes an angle of 23.50 degree to its axis and 66.50 degree to its orbit. The tilting of the Earth on its axis causes the varying lengths of day and night and also change in seasons. The Earth makes an angle of 23.5 degrees, students, with its axis and 66.5 degree with the orbit. The Earth revolves around the Sun, keeping its axis tilted in the same direction. This results in longer days and shorter nights, or shorter days and longer nights.